Hey there, aspiring analysts. Do you want to master data analytics but struggle to find the time for live classes? Well, you're in luck. Instrovate Technologies has got you covered with our on-demand data analytics training program. Picture this, comprehensive recorded sessions that you can access anytime, anywhere at your own pace. Sounds perfect, right? In each lesson, you'll find two types of videos designed to enhance your learning experience. First, the concept explanation video. These videos provide a step-by-step breakdown of key concepts, offering clarity and practical examples to help you grasp the material effectively. Expect in-depth explanations, real-world examples, and structured guidance to build a solid foundation. Next, the recording of the live mentor session. This is a recording from one of our live mentor sessions, showcasing real interactions, discussions, and quanda with the mentor. You'll get to see how real students ask questions and engage with the content, making learning more relatable and dynamic. Our premium course combines these detailed concept explanations with recordings of real-time mentorship sessions. You get the benefit of foundational learning and the insights from interactive discussions all in one package. So, what's in the course? Let's break it down. We start with orientation and foundations, covering the key principles of data analytics. Then you'll master Excel for analytics and learn how to apply your skills to real-world scenarios. Next up, SQL fundamentals, where you'll gain essential skills for data manipulation and analysis. But that's not all. You'll also build a strong foundation in Python for programmatic data analysis, and then dive into data visualization with Power BI to create compelling dashboards. Finally, you'll learn to build basic mobile applications and automate workflows with Power Apps. What's included in this recorded program? You'll get on-demand, pre-recorded sessions that you can access instantly upon purchase. Study at your convenience without the need for live sessions or mentor interactions. And yes, you'll receive a certification of completion from Instrovate, validating your training in data analytics. Why choose this recorded program? Flexible learning, affordable pricing, and real-world skills. For just $125, you'll gain hands-on expertise in Excel, SQL, Python, Power BI, and Power Apps. Develop industry-relevant skills and build portfolio-ready projects to showcase your abilities. But wait, are you looking for a live, mentor-based program? We have that too. Our 4-month live data analytics program includes live mentorship, hands-on projects, and direct interaction with experienced mentors. It's priced at $500, payable in 4 installments of $125 per month. So, is this recorded program right for you? If you're new to data analytics or want to enhance your skills without the commitment of live classes, this is perfect for you. Ideal for beginners or career switchers looking to start in the data field. Ready to enroll? Sign up today and get immediate access to all course recordings. No waiting period. Start learning the same day you purchase. For more information, contact support at instrovate.com or WhatsApp +91 742 895 2788. Unlock your data analytics skills anytime, anywhere with Instovate's recorded course. Start your journey today.